All right, y'all, on a good rainy day like this, what are you gonna do? I'm gonna show you. We're gonna cook some Cajun tater tots. Gonna have a little andouille in it. Of course, you got the tater tots, little onions, cheese, hot sauce, of course. Y'all just watch along. We're gonna cook some good stuff. All right, y'all, first thing you need to do when you're doing this, get you some oil. I like olive oil. You use what you want. It's better with this though. Now I'm gonna show you something with this. I'm spreading this around to get a good thin coat of oil on here. Actually thicker than normal. But we're gonna take these tater tots. Yeah. We're gonna dump them all on here. Y'all watch the way I do this now. Okay, I'm gonna just scatter them out a little bit. Do it when they're frozen. If you don't, they're gonna be soggy. Number 2, let them sit. Let them sit a little while. Then, in a little while, we're gonna flip them over a little bit lightly. You don't wanna break them apart. Just changes everything. Okay, y'all, come on over here. Let's cut up some andouille. Andouille is a good sausage. I'm gonna show you something about andouille. Most people don't know. See, I cut that. Now, you see andouille? See? That's not regular sausage. See how the big chunks of meat are in here? Andouille is just a smoked sausage. They use thicker cuts of meat in it. And we're gonna cut a bunch of little pieces right here. My grandpa and them used to make andouille. I've never made it myself. It ain't nothing to it. It's just a sausage with bigger pieces of meat. You don't grind the meat like you normally do. Fine. A lot of people grind the sausage fine meat, but you don't do that with this. You just big chunks, and you season it different. They mainly use this to cook with stews and beans and stuff like that. All right, y'all, I like this, but I'm gonna like it a lot better if we got some more. So we're gonna cut another half. Stick y'all in there. You wait right there, buddy. The reason I'm cutting it so small like this, once I get it fried up, it'll scatter better on top of them tater tots and cheese. You'll see. Kids love this. My grandkids will tear this up. Usually I make 2 of them when they coming over. All right, y'all, got this cut up. We're gonna drop this right here. Watch this. I love to hear that. I heard that sizzle. We're gonna let this sizzle down a little bit. Now, move this to one side a little bit. I'm gonna move them potatoes a little bit, not much. I'm not even turning them yet. We're gonna squirt a little bit of oil on here. Now, this is what we call the Holy Trinity. Now y'all, it ain't nothing but onions, celery, red pepper, that's it. Bell peppers. We're gonna put a little bit on here, a little more. I mean, you can make your own, we used to do. It ain't nothing but onions, peppers, celery. You can make your own, but hey, a lot of times it's easy to just take it out of a bag, you know what I mean? All right, y'all, we're gonna be back in a minute. Let this cook down a little bit, then we're gonna throw some seasoning on it. Look at this andouille, it's about ready. Tell you what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off. Don't want to get too done. Put it in a little container here. You wait right there for me. Don't go nowhere. All right, we fix to season this up. Got that old Cajun blinging. Ooh. Put some on your onions and a lot on your taters. Look at there, y'all. Y'all watch this. We're gonna stir this up a little bit. Get that seasoning cooking in there. Now, this is the way we gotta do this, y'all. Gotta do it slow and easy. You don't want these things falling apart. So all we're gonna do is kind of turn them. See that golden brown on there? That's what you want. I remember when I was a kid, and I'm gonna talk way back, y'all, way back. I didn't know what a tater tot was. Till about 1975, they built a Sonic in Ponchatoula, Louisiana. And we used to ride our bicycles out there just to get tater tots. Because we ain't never seen nothing like that. And that's how I started eating tater tots. That was a lot of tater tots ago. These tots need to cook a little longer, and they're starting to smell good though. They're toasting up pretty good. They're getting darker. Y'all give me a few minutes. Y'all, this is looking really good. They got that crispy look to them. What we're gonna do, we're gonna throw that skillet over here. Get it to heating up a little bit. Gonna throw a little layer of Tots on here. Look at there. Y'all, I'm trying to make a good layer all the way across here. I think I need one more, so we'll put 2. All right. Hey, y'all, changed my mind. I think we're gonna add a few more. Just a few, not too many. Spread them out a little bit. I'm getting that hole right there. All right, watch this now. Very important. Cheese. Lots of cheese. I like to sprinkle it around good so it'll melt. We got our onions and peppers and stuff, our holy trinity. Watch this. Now we got a little bit of that andouille sausage on there. I'm gonna do this by hand. Drizzle it on here. Oh, yep. Yep. That's gonna be good, y'all. Okay, that's enough of that. Last but not least, y'all, gotta have the cheese. All right, sprinkle it real thin so it'll melt. You want it to melt. You see all the good stuff in there? Once you get it done like this, you pull this over a little bit. Watch it. Not in the pot, just around the edge. All right, y'all, while this is steaming down, what we're gonna do, we'll get us some green onions. We're gonna slice them real little thins. Y'all, this really, you don't have to do this, but I like to do it. It makes it really pretty, and it gives a good taste to it. That ought to be good, y'all. I'm pretty sure 100%, 90%, 99.9%, I'm sure that cheese is melting. Come on, let's go get it and eat it. Oh, it is good. Here we go. Look at there. Y'all come look at this. We're not really through yet though. Y'all watch this. Put a few of these on top, sprinkle them around. Don't need a lot. That's just pretty, ain't it? Need a little bit of hot sauce on there. Add hot sauce to the way you like it. I like it a lot. And notice I'm only putting on about half of it. This half is for me, this half for Miss Jenny. So I can put a little more for me. What do you think? Y'all, that's gonna be good, yeah. So we need, let's get a fork. Here we go. I put the hot sauce on this side. The andouille sausage is good in here. Main thing when you're cooking this, when you throw them Tots on the griddle, don't get in a hurry. Let them get good and crispy and toasty on one side. Flip them. Take 10, 15 minutes. You ain't in no hurry. All right, y'all see what I did? I put them in the skillet. You don't need that skillet. You can do the whole thing right on top of the Blackstone. I like this way, because if you got to run with it and bear chasing, you got it. Just grab it and run. Oh, y'all, it don't get no better than this.